Give your students hands-on AI training with a jury member at the Smart India Hackathon, Mr. Deepak Chawla. Colleges that invest in AI education shape future leaders. Equip your students with practical AI skills to enhance employability and bridge the industry gap. Introducing the HiDevs Gen AI Workshop, bringing practical industry-led AI education directly to your college. Here's how it benefits students. Learn AI from industry experts. Work on real-world AI projects, enhance resumes and secure better placements. Led by AI expert and mentor, Mr. Deepak Chawla, jury member at Smart India Hackathon 2024. Twice featured in Times Square, NYC for his impact on AI education. Conducted 5+ AI workshops and hackathons to upskill students. Mentored 5,000+ individuals through 5 workshops, 50+ webinars, and 10+ seminars. Built Echo Deepak, an AI clone answering 10,000+ mentee queries, growing an AI community of 1,000+ engineers and 15,000+ LinkedIn followers. Featured in multiple newspapers for revolutionizing AI education. Spent 40 days in the USA, mentoring top companies and colleges in AI adoption. We've already empowered students from top institutions, hosting 50+ online and offline workshops to make AI education accessible. Let's make your college a hub for AI talent. DMUs or apply now at hidevs.xyz/workshop. The future starts here.